Hey guys, this is Jam of jamonline.ph, and today we got here the Cherry Mobile Flare Y7 Pro. I know a lot of people are asking about me, nasa na yung hands-on ko nito, nasa yung unboxing ko nito. Finally guys, we got here the Flare Y7 Pro. This is really interesting because this is an affordable smartphone at 4,999 pesos, and yet we got here a 4 gigs of RAM. So let's talk about the specifications first. So first we got here the 5.7-inch HD Plus True View display, a Helio A22 processor, 4 gigs RAM, 32 gigs storage, 16 megapixel front, 16 plus 2 at the back. There's LTE, there's the fingerprint scanner at the side. There's the 3,000 mAh of battery, and yes, it's Android 9 Pie. So what are we waiting for? Nandito na yung Flare Y7 Pro. I-unbox na natin and tingnan natin kung okay ba tong smartphone na to. Yan guys, so nakatingin kayo ngayon sa Cherry Mobile Flare Y7 Pro. Again, ang kanyang main highlight, the 4 gigs of RAM, which is very rare at its price at 4,999 pesos. Time to unbox this smartphone. Ayan. So we got here the smartphone. May pag-usapan natin to. But first, let's check out ano ba meron sa loob ng box ng Y7 Pro. So, smartphone comes with a free jelly case, so that's nice. So we got here the charger, which is rated at 5 volts, 1,500 milliamperes. So mas mabilis siya than most affordable Cherry Mobile smartphones, which is most of the time 1,000 milliamperes lang. So meron din tayong micro USB to USB-A cable, ang pin nyo para sa card tray, and of course the user guide. So this is the Cherry Mobile Flare Y7 Pro. So, tanggalin na natin yung kanyang screen protector and also yung plastic sa likod. As you can see in here, malinis yung look ng Cherry Mobile Flare Y7 Pro. I actually like the design of it, yung kanyang ergonomics, yung kanyang build. Yes, it's made up of plastic, but tingnan nyo, ang linis-linis niya tignan. We got here the dual lens camera. Medyo malaki yung LED flash niya. Surprisingly, we got here the Cherry Mobile logo. Sa side, we got here the side-mounted fingerprint scanner. And then there's the home button and the volume rocker. So magkahiwala yung yung kanyang side-mounted fingerprint scanner and also the home button. Sa taas, we got here the 3.5mm headphone jack. And sa other side, we got here the card tray. Sa ilalim, the micro USB port. So give me a few seconds or a few minutes as I will just set up the smartphone. So yan guys, nakatingin kayo ngayon sa Cherry Mobile Flare Y7 Pro. Makikita nyo naman na medyo maliit yung device, very tiny, but not too tiny. I mean, it's 5.7-inch HD Plus True View display over here. The bezel on the sides and also sa baba is reasonable. It's not as thick as the Cherry Mobile Flare S8. Makita nyo dito, meron tayong teardrop display dito, very small na teardrop sa taas ng display ng smartphone. Then sa likod, we got here a plastic back. Very clean look. What I like about Cherry Mobile Flare Y7 Pro is wala tayong fingerprint scanner sa likod. There's the simple dual lens camera sa taas, and then the big LED flash along with the Cherry Mobile logo in here. The fingerprint scanner is actually placed at the side. So yeah, nasa side yung fingerprint scanner, power button, volume rocker, and then of course the headphone jack. Then below is the micro USB port. So, punta naman tayo sa smartphone. So, nakita nyo na yung smartphone yan. So, pakita ko sa inyo kung paano nag-work yung fingerprint scanner. I'll try again later. Yan, there we go. Mabilis naman yung fingerprint scanner niya. So, most of the time, kung hindi kayo kaliwete, kung katulad ko, kanan lagi ginagamit, most of the time, yung thumb siguro yung gagamitin nyo sa Cherry Mobile Flare Y7 Pro. Makita nyo, again, thin bezel in here. It's running on Android 9 Pie and napaka-smooth nung kanyang UI. So, makikita nyo dito sa my settings, of course, system, and of course, tingnan natin about phone. Ayan, makikita nyo, wow, kompleto. So, meron tayong logo dito, meron this MT6761, 3,180 mAh of battery, even bigger dun sa kanyang in-announce sa 3,000 mAh of battery, 5.26-inch display. Ayan, so kompleto, 16 plus 2 sa likod, then 16 megapixel, 16 megapixel camera sa unahan, and Android 9 pa. Yan, ang linis tignan ng UI niya. Gusto ko tong Android about phone ng Cherry Mobile Flare Y7 Pro. So, everything is actually good dito sa Cherry Mobile Flare Y7 Pro pagdating sa build. The software is, nakikita nyo naman, may Cherry Fan Club, the Chums Live, Info Center. It's not running on Android Go, so full applications to, full Google applications. Although, yeah, medyo may mga kasamang bloatware, pero I mean, it's still usable. And makikita nyo naman na okay yung kanyang speed, almost like vanilla Android yung kanyang speed. So, punta tayo sa camera application. So, mapapansin nyo yung camera application, it's just fine. I mean, just a normal camera application na smartphone na to. Pero, medyo napapansin ko yung bumabagal siya in sometimes na katulad na ito, face beauty, video, photo, then mag-shoot ako, okay, fine, mag-shoot lang ako. Mabilis sa photo, walang problema. Pero pag pumunta ako dito sa portrait mode, yan, so, medyo kailangan ko pang i-focus, kailangan ko pindutin, then pindutin yung portrait mode, and yan, minsan ayaw gumana nito, so may mga times lang na ganun, but I believe a software update can fix that. But I can go to photos, check out na latest photos na kinuha ko, and so far, well, it's not its best feature, but it's usable. I mean, it's 5,000 pesos smartphone. I'm not expecting too much from the smartphone, pero ito, gumagana naman siya, okay lang siya, na ganito yung kanyang mga shots. Ito, wag to. So, ito. Yan. So, medyo okay naman. Medyo sinasaturate niya ng konti yung shots. Medyo pansin ko yung pagkadagdag na saturation para sa mga shots natin. Taas natin yung brightness. Yan. So, this is the portrait shots, pero hindi maganda yung mga shots ko with the portrait. So, ito, medyo overblown yung kanyang exposure dito sa shots. Pero, ang gusto ko sa kanya is nakukuha niya pa rin yung kulay. Pero, again, it's a little bit overexposed. So, yung dynamic range niya is not perfect. Makikita niyo medyo dark dito. Then, the skies yung nakuha. Then, another one, ito, comparison. Ito yung nakafocus tayo sa building. Makikita niyo na hindi ganun kaano yung kanyang dynamic range. So, yan, another shot ng pencil. Ito, medyo okay lang to. Nakuha niya yung shot na gusto ko, yung kulay niya and everything. So, yan. This is medyo low light dito sa area na to. Pero nakuha pa rin kahit paano yung details, surprisingly. So, yun. Again, this is the Cherry Mobile Flare Y7 Pro. Overall, what I like about it is that we got 4 gigs of RAM. The battery is actually more than I expected, 3,180 mAh. And then, meron tayo side-mounted fingerprint scanner na sobrang accessible gamitin. Ang ganda ng kanyang ergonomic design. Pero, yun nga, plastic build. But, again, it's a 5,000 pesos smartphone. I'm not expecting too much from the Cherry Mobile Flare Y7 Pro. Pero, alam nyo, meron na talaga ng difference and compared sa other smartphones once na mag-benchmark na tayo sa review ng smartphone na to. So I guess that's it for our unboxing hands-on of the Cherry Mobile Flare Y7 Pro. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and of course, like and share this video. Of course, huwag nyo rin kalimutan bisitahin ang social media channels ko sa mga links below. So yeah, maraming salamat po sa panonood and see you guys again sa susunod na video.